Hello. Today we'll be discussing about VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP stand for vertical lookup and HLOOKUP stand for horizontal lookup. So I'm starting with VLOOKUP by taking some example. Okay. So the very first thing, you just copy the heading. This is one way. Now let us assume that we are going to search name wherever ID is 4. So how to start this? I say VLOOKUP. I am trying to search wherever ID is 4. My data is this from where I am going to search. Third parameter is column index. How does column index counts? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. For example, currently we are planning to search name. So this is 1, this is 2. So I write down 2. The fourth parameter is you are searching exact match or you are searching approximate match. So currently I am taking exact match. So now just see it. So we are saying we are trying to search wherever the ID is 4 and name. You can see here this name has come. Let's come here. We'll change the data. This has come. Now I say 55. So for 55 there is no name available. Excel is saying you not available. Again just see this. Now let's take an example. We are trying to search address wherever the ID is 2. So I say VLOOKUP. This is my range, comma. Now we are trying to search address. So column index is 1, 2, 3. So I say 3. And currently I say false. So you can say this. This is one way. Another way, I can come to any cell. I say VLOOKUP 4, comma, this range, comma. Now I'm planning to search salary. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. I say 4 and then I say false. So it means I am saying Excel, we are planning to search wherever ID is 4 from this range A1 to D7. Column index is 4. It means we are planning to search salary. You can see this. Okay, this is about VLOOKUP. Now about HLOOKUP, I have taken a different example. This is there. There are some names, John, David, Alan, and these are the marks for them. Okay. Now we have been asked to find out marks for John on science. So now the data has been aligned this way. This. So I am saying HLOOKUP. I say John, comma. This is my range, comma. Now assume that you are searching maths mark for John. So this is 1, 2, 3. I say 3, comma. I say false. You can see this. 44. Let's take one more example. I'll come here. I say HLOOKUP. I say Alan. This is my range, comma. 1, 2, 3, 4, comma, false. It means I am saying Excel, wherever name is Alan, please find out marks for science. Just press enter. Okay. Now let's take example. What is the meaning of approximate match? So I am just writing here VLOOKUP. I say 90, comma, this, comma. I am trying to find out price wherever item ID is 90. So I say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, comma. Now I say true. Now let's see this example. Okay. I am saying VLOOKUP 90, B29 to D33, 3, comma, true. So basically if you look here, 90 is not available. So what Excel will do, it will look for a closure number less than 99. So it is there and it is displaying. Let's take one more example. I say VLOOKUP. Okay, now I say 102, comma. This is the data, comma. And now I say true. So I am saying 102. This is my range, 2. It means I am searching this and I say true. So you can see this. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. Next video, I'll be teaching you about formatting.